I assume we are all very, very new to data engineering. What it is, why it is. Let's get started slowly, step by step, in a simple way. Simple way. And I request you to have your own observation notes, a scribbling pad and a pen. Every day you'll be receiving, of course, in fact, you'll be receiving the complete notes in advance. I request you to take print copy of the notes. I repeat, for entire course, you have the notes in advance, module wise, 2 weeks. For each 2 weeks, you have a module. You'll be given the print notes. These were first week notes, then second week notes, like that. You'll be given the print notes. Make sure you take print copy of all the notes. For example, I think June, this one, right? Yeah. You'll be given the complete notes. Only Word documents, you'll take the print copies. Get them handy throughout the course. Number 2, also make sure, of course, you have your own observation notes, the handwritten notes. So I repeat, print copy notes left side of your computer, and the handwritten notes right side of your computer during the class. Just the keywords, only keywords. But make sure you revise your observation notes during your free time. It will save a lot of time, and this simple old trick always works. Please help me. Write your own observation notes, get my complete class notes, take a print copy, and it works with everyday assignments. Need your support. Things are a bit vast. Need your support. Let's get started. This is Sai Fanendra from SQL School. I assure you practical touch on every concept in detail, step by step. And I will be including the use case scenarios I use for my corporate trainings. I have been using for my corporate trainings all these years. And what else? Practice. I request you to ensure on-time practice and weekly revision from your end as well for best results. Let's get started slowly. What is database? Before we learn what is engineering, what is database first? A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. Two basic types of databases: OLTP, data warehouse. OLTP stands for online transaction processing databases, to store live real-time data like live temperatures, live stock market operations, etc. Data warehouse, to store historical data like old temperature data, old stock market operations, anything old. Data warehouse. Developers will be involved in OLTP database design. You and me, from today, data engineers, we are involved in data warehouse design. There are different types of databases. These two are the basic types of databases we have. Coming to OLTP, different technologies, different companies came with different technologies, like we have Oracle, MySQL, Postgres, Amazon RDS, MS SQL, etc. That OLTP environment is mainly intended to capture live data, the birthplace of data, apps, websites, IoT, forms. The data will be captured by OLTP, online transaction processing database systems. But over a period of time, We need to load the data to the warehouse. There comes our course from today. We have ETL and data warehouse. The green circle item is our actual course. We are going to involve in Microsoft implementation of ETL and Microsoft implementation of warehouse, Azure Data Engineering. It involves Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks, and Azure SQL Pool, also called Synapse, and Spark databases within Azure environment. You may ask me, Sai, why these things? Why multiple things in ETL? Very simple logic. Azure Databricks is a variant of open source Databricks and open source warehouse Spark. Microsoft ETL, Azure Data Factory, Microsoft Warehouse Synapse. I mean, open source ETL, open source warehouse. Microsoft ETL, Microsoft Warehouse. So total 4 pillars we need to balance carefully to construct our resume and job ground. We do have Amazon Glue, Athena, Snowpark, DBT, Amazon Redshift, Snowflake, etc. Other warehouses. We have other trainers for these engineering activities. Our classes from today are into core Azure, ETL, warehouse concepts, and the prerequisites, MS SQL. Please revise MS SQL. Basics should be enough. Very basic should be enough, especially group by joins. Enough. Remaining, I will take care. Part of our Azure Data Engineering, we have Azure SQL also. So we get it here. With this content, I repeat in a simple way once again. As a data engineer, we are supposed to read data from various sources, clean it, shape it, mash it, and load it to the warehouse. Warehouse is our godown. OLTP is like a showroom. Warehouse is like a godown. OLTP is like our living room. Warehouse is like our storeroom. As simple as that. With this small introduction, let's understand for next 5 minutes what exactly we are going to learn in our course, and then step into our practice. We'll do it slowly, step by step. Okay, so here we go. We'll go for questions after some time. We are involved in big data, cloud computing and ETL, and data warehouse operations. These are the main takeaways. So in these classes, I will be teaching you practically good number of Azure SQL, ETL, warehouse concepts, Microsoft ETL, open source ETL, Microsoft warehouse and open source warehouse. These are the main takeaways. And to implement these items, we have few helping hands. See, these are all Azure concepts, but we need few helping objects. What are they? Number one, Spark, Hive, Python. Coming to Python, we will be learning from scratch the required items of Python from scratch, required for ETL activities, data engineering activities. So no worries, it's not into programming, it's into ETL activities only. I repeat again, I assume we're all very new. We'll take Python from scratch. Whatever is needed, the ETL environments, will be taking it in our classes anyway. We'll do step by step. But yes, we need to have more practice for this particular Python PySpark module. We'll do it slowly. Next, detailed notes, assignments, I will take care. I'll make sure my duty, I'll make sure things are easy to implement and useful to practice for our job work. I'll do it carefully. Next, once we complete the entire practice of all these items for about 6 weeks, plan for 6 weeks from today, then we need to have a project. If in case, if someone is already having some knowledge on the concepts and joining my course as like a refresher, they may start the project from day 1 or day 2 as you wish in parallel. If not, you can start the project after 1 week or 2 weeks or after 1 month or at the end of the course as per your technical comfort. But let's have the project for the benefit of our resume. Next, with this content, let's get started now with our lab configuration. Before we proceed, I would like to have a recap. I could see few people join a bit late. Please, let's be on time from tomorrow, and I'll give a recap of what we need to learn in our classes. Here it is. I'll just give a recap in a single screen. As a data engineer, we'll be involved in E, data extraction, T, transformation, L, data loads. In this process, we need to practically learn big data, cloud computing, Spark ETL, Spark Warehouse, Spark SQL, and Spark Analytics. We'll be taking them slowly, step by step. There are different components. We have Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks, Azure Stream Analytics, Azure Data Lake, so on. But remember, the blood group is same, Spark. Without Spark, no big data, no engineering. Without Spark, no data factory. Without Spark, no Databricks. So we need to learn from the scratch. After we learn few fundamental items, then comes storage components, something called ETL components, data warehouse components. I request you to by heart all these keywords, the menu items. And we have few other important components, helping hands. We need to learn all these items. I'll provide you these notes to you today. I'll provide you the slides I was showing you starting of the class, as well as this particular document. Not this one, a different one in a simple A4 sheet for you to take a print copy of the document. I'll send it anyway. Same content, no changes. Next, course takeaways. Module wise notes in advance. The entire course is into 3 modules. We'll be taking the data factory module, Spark and PySpark module, storage and data lake module. Every module has its own notes. You'll be receiving it in advance. I request you to take a print copy, put it onto the left side of your computer. Right side, beside your mouse, you have your scribbling pad, writing pad. You write your keywords, submit. active learners have the privilege to get added to my ALG group, active learner group, wherein they enjoy free webinars every month. That's how I do. For active learners who are all active, proactive, interactive in my classes, will be having the touch of the technology with me and my school every month. Really, it's going on for last 7.5 years. My school is 19 years old, and I started my first job back in the 2005 at Microsoft as a full-time employee, MSIT project. And since then, I am in love with Microsoft. So you can see my love, my affection. My duty here to guide you, as simple as that. But your duty to make sure we touch the things carefully. Notes will be sent. You have to take a print copy of it, please. Get ready for the actual classes with the print copies. It works. It works. I understand. Time is important for all of us. We need to balance our job and our learning and our family, right? Because majority of my target participants are working employees, working professionals. 90% of them are married employees. Students, very rare for me, truly speaking. Okay, so I should be thinking from your ground as well. I understand you have to balance your learning and the job and other things. So please, there are short tips and tricks we need to follow. Everyday assignments or FAQs. I request you to submit max by weekend and get my solutions. Not able to submit? No problem. Just let me know. I'll give my solutions. Go through them carefully. Project work. Either you can start working on it from second day of the course, or get my complete requirement and solution based on your time constraints. And depending on your current job role, is it like engineer level or associate level or lead level or manager level or consultant level? It depends. A consultant need not do my project, but good to understand the solution of the project. It depends. So let's do it carefully. Need your support. I'll send you this particular document. And next, one more thing. Our lab plan, our lab configuration to start our practice from tomorrow. Before we proceed, I'll recap once again. Just in case if someone joined a bit late, I'll recap again. So far we are learning, number one, what is database? Number two, what is warehouse? What is data warehouse? Right? This. Number three, we learned what is the job role of a data engineer. It's all about ETL and warehouse environment. So apps to OLTP to ETL to data warehouse, usually either apps or unstructured files to OLTP. Remember, nowadays things are changing super fast. Like this. We need to learn both examples carefully. Next, apart from this, we learned like what we learn in our Azure Data Engineering course. We need to learn open source ETL, that is Azure Databricks. flavor of open source ETL, and open source data warehouse. This is Spark database. Remember, in our classes, we need to learn something called cloud computing concepts first. Okay. Once we learn the cloud computing concepts, here is the notes of the open source ETL. There we'll see how to configure Spark databases and start learning Spark SQL on top of Spark database. Things are very simple and straight. We'll do it slowly, step by step. And next, we need to learn the limitation of Spark and the need for something called PySpark, Python and Spark. So we have something called Parquet tables, Delta tables in Spark databases with medallion architecture. Again, the same ETL process with different levels of data implementations. So all these come under open source ETL, Spark. Here, it involves PySpark for ETL activities, etc. Next, here we have Spark SQL and PySpark, etc. Then we need to learn something called Microsoft ETL, Azure Data Factory. Here we have something called as TSQL. There's something called TSQL, Transact SQL. Next, just wait. Once we have the Transact SQL, remember, there are different ways to implement Azure Data Factory. We'll be taking all possible options for easy step-by-step activities. Next, we have TSQL and something called as ADF expression language, which is an alternative for PySpark, etc. Next, we need to learn something called Microsoft Warehouse. We need to learn Microsoft Warehouse, Data Warehouse. Here comes Azure SQL Pool. There comes Synapse, Synapse Analytics, Synapse Data Warehouse, etc. So these are the 4 different pillars: open source ETL, open source warehouse; Microsoft ETL, Microsoft warehouse; and we need to learn when to use which ETL out of these 2 and how to use them together. There are limitations with open source ETL and warehouse. There are limitations with Microsoft ETL and warehouse. Usually any project needs the hybrid model. Few components open source, flexibility. Few concepts Azure, Microsoft, ease of use and easy support from Microsoft. We need to learn these items carefully with the project work. Next, how to enter into it? Yes, we need to start our lab configuration. So before we start our practice, we need to have the lab configuration. Let's see how to configure Azure account. Once you configure Azure account today, we need to create something called Azure subscription. What is it? Azure account, Azure subscription. Here we go. This ETL warehouse items are called resources. To create those resources, we require account and subscription. I repeat again, whatever items I was mentioning, like data factory, Databricks, storage, stream analytics, etc. All these items I was showing you the previous screen, this one. All these items are called resources, remember. I go to a grocery shop, I buy some items. I come to Azure shop, I buy resources, as simple as that. Okay, here these resources will be managed using something called subscription. That is our next step. We need to start our implementation with subscriptions. Before we proceed, any questions here, let me know, please. I'll wait. Please observe carefully. Any questions, please? I'll wait. Observe carefully now. Please take your time. Please go through it carefully. I'll wait.
Sorry, Abu here. I've got a quick question.
Yes.
You mentioned in the component about CI/CD. So
Yes.
are you going to cover CI/CD
Yes.
here as part of this project?
Yes. We need to have at two places, one for open source ETL, one for Microsoft ETL. Both places we have CI/CD part of our classes. Number 30 in my screen, number 30 and 31. Yes, we do. We have to.
Sure. Thank
Mohammed.
you.
Yep. Next question, please. I will wait.
Hello. Yes, hi. Good morning.
Very good
Hello.
morning, Bibu Singh. Please tell me.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Actually, I am working in Azure SQL DBA and Azure DBA.
Okay.
So, for me, how the course will be benefit? In
Friends,
which area, like
we'll be
Azure
discussing
DBA?
one to one. Okay, let's take it one to one. Okay, because I need to understand like what kind of DBA you're into: developer DBA, production DBA, support DBA. Is it Microsoft vendor or non-Microsoft vendor or CMM level 3, level 4, level 5? Lot of chemistry we need to check before we arrive at the mathematics. We'll take profile related questions one to one. Okay, we'll do it, sir. We will take it offline separately, one to one. We'll do. Bibu Singh will do. Okay, because see, we need to learn, like you said you're a DBA. Okay, I understand, but is ETL admin a better option for you, or like database consultant a better option for you? We need to check it carefully. We'll see. We'll take it one to one. So please give me some time. Others, any more questions, please, from our core course? Let me know, please. I'll wait before we start our installation today. So the configurations.
So the course will you cover in 1 month?
I think you're missing it. 6 weeks for course and 1 week for project. Total, say plan for 2 months total. Plan for 2 months. 7 weeks to 2 months. Yep. Fine. Let's continue. So far what we did, we learned what is engineering. There's something called open source ETL, open source warehouse. Please by heart these new mantras. Microsoft ETL, Microsoft warehouse. We need to learn when to use which and how to use them together in our project. And here are the important resources, are the grocery items in our new Azure shop. Now, how to proceed for the installation, the configurations. Let's see. Please install SQL Server 2019 or higher version. If I go to this website link, sqlschool.com downloads, download SQL Server 2019 or higher. My website has older versions also. ignore them, just 2019 or higher. And the tool, you're already aware of installation process, so check this document, detailed screenshots, install it. Still any trouble, you have the video, go through it. Still any trouble, please reach us, just in case. Get the things installed before tomorrow's class, please. Next.
Sai,
Apart
Abu
from
here
this,
again. Sorry. So for your course, so which one should we like? Which one you will be using? So I went to that website and there is 4 version, right? So
sir, on
from
my screen, sir.
2016.
On my screen, sir.
Oh, sir,
2019 or
2019.
higher. Or higher, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Sure. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's continue. Next. Also, please install SSMS. Latest one is better always. Okay. SSMS, this one. 20 is the latest one as on date. Microsoft came up with 21, but again they rolled back it before last month. They rolled back it last month, early last month. So go for 20. If you see any online links for 21, please ignore them. It's rolled back because of your security issues, it seems. It's 20, the latest one. Next, number 5. I'll provide you this complete notes. Please make sure you go to visit portal.azure.com, this website. Sign up with your personal email address. Okay, and you get a verification link. You need to click on the verification link and activate your account. During the account activation, choose a username. You may or may not get the username. It depends on the type of the account you'll be redirected to, because of free account. Okay, there are different types of free account in Azure. Username and password. Password, of course, you get this option. It's mandatory. Then it will not ask for any card details. Okay, item 5, just account only. Once we are done, then item 6. Log in to your Azure account, to your new Azure account. Same website link again. Click on new subscription and create free subscription and specify your card details and mobile number, and you get USD $200 free credit and valid for 1 month. But our course is for 2 months. So after 1 month again another card, another 1 month, or convert this free account to paid account. It will charge us about $50 per month, max 50 if you follow the instructions carefully. Usually somewhere between $25 to $50 per month if it is a paid account. I repeat again, go to the website, this one, portal.azure.com. please follow the instructions, get the things done. We have to start our practice from tomorrow together, and I have to provide you the complete notes as well. You have to take print copies of it. So please make sure you go to this website. Okay, portal.azure.com. and see no account, create one. Click. It will ask you for email address. You submit, you provide your personal email address here, you get one
Hello?
confirmation mail.
Hello? Yes, sir.
Once you get the confirmation, Bibu Singh, I am speaking, sir. We have to wait, sir. Please, okay. It's a class. It's a class. Please, we are back to school, sir. Please help me. Bibu Singh, please help me, sir. Please help me. I have to concentrate. Once you click, others, are we following it, please? Sorry for the distraction. I'll repeat again. Please, everyone, are you following it? Please, everyone, please. I'll wait.
Yes,
Are we
sir.
following it, please? I'll wait. We have a lot of things to learn here, please. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Let's continue. Others who are not responsive, kindly check your mic, please. I want interactive attendees here, please, from tomorrow. I'll continue. Really, friends, let me put this way. I'll show you something, okay? Yesterday, it happened yesterday. Yesterday morning, 7 o'clock, we had one batch, data engineering class, okay? Yesterday, right? First, yes, here it is. This for evening batch. I think self-hosted IR for evening 23. Okay, this one, yeah. We had the class as well. I can just search it like this. Attendees are interactive, will get additional mails. Class notes is different. Additional content is different. And you know one more thing, friends. Majority of my FAQs, Google or ChatGPT cannot answer. If you check my LinkedIn profile, we do sell interview questions. Telling the recruiters, you want a non-ChatGPT questions, non-Googled questions to test your professionals, reach us. That's how we do. That's how it is. Very simple, friends. Very, very simple. Forget about Azure. Because there was an interruption, I have to value that interruption and tell my things in a simple way, okay? Really, very simple and straight. We're all aware of SQL, right? We're all aware of SQL, right? We are aware of SQL. Perfect. Now, try to get these questions answered online. We will not get the answer. Check it out. Remember, data is different, information is different, knowledge is different. We need knowledge for our job, not a Googled information or ChatGPT data. We need knowledge. Understanding this question will take some time. It's part of my 4th chapter, SQL basics, for my SQL classes. We need it. We sell minimum, we bag minimum 2 to 3 orders every month for selling interview questions. Unique interview questions. Please come back to my screen. No interruption, please. We go for questions first during Q&A time. Please, it's a class. It's a class. Please help me. I should be cautious. You should be cautious for a better course. Please help me. Log into portal.azure.com. Okay. Create one. Because there is an interruption, I have to repeat it. Create one. It will ask you for email address. Personal, professional, any email is okay, but avoid using your company email address, a safe side. Use your personal email address. And what next? You get one account. Click on subscription. This one, friends, a key symbol, okay? I said Azure is like a grocery shop. Items are the resources. See here. Items are the resources. To enter the shop, to start our shopping from tomorrow, we need subscription key to enter the shop. Click on subscription. Add. See here, friends. Add. Okay. Add. Home. Subscription. We'll go for questions after 5 minutes. Q&A time. Home. Subscriptions. And free trial. Now you may ask me, Sai, I already completed my free trial. What I do? Paid account or different email address, different phone number, different code, and go for free trial. You have to select the offer. In my case, I already used my free trial. I have no other option. I need to use paid account for our examples. In your case, you will see select offer. Click on select offer and you get one screen like this. Simply specify the details, the card details. So name, last name, email, phone number, etc., PAN and other details. Validation purpose. Okay, once you supply all this content, you get one free subscription created. Once it is created, we are ready for tomorrow's class. Next, one more thing before we get the things here, before we go for questions. One more thing. Let's see. Here we go. How to verify the account details. Let's see. One more important thing before we go for questions. Number 7. Log into your Azure portal. Top left, click on the horizontal lines, means menu, we call it menu tab, we call it. Scroll down to subscriptions and click on your subscription, and we see the remaining credit for free account. We also see the account type, just in case in future if you wanted to recheck you are using a free account, then what you do, see, very simple. Go to, see here, top horizontal lines, down, subscription. Okay, this one. Click on subscription. In my case, it is paid account. In your case, it will be a free account, and you will see the status of the subscription and offer is there, right? Offer. There you see free offer. Okay, gives you the subscription type. Next, with this content, what we are learning now, we are understanding how to create Azure account. Inside Azure account, how to get the subscription and verify the subscription. And for free account, after 30 days or after 29 days, it's recommended to cancel the subscription. Safe. Because we are giving our card details, right? Debit card or credit card, anything is okay. No problem. But better to cancel, safe side. Click cancel and it will ask you the reason. Whatever reason you want, you specify it and simply close it. New email address, new account, save. I repeat again, friends, what you do today. Number one, install SQL Server and SSMS. Number 2, portal. Get the account. Number 3, subscription. Number 4, subscription verification. This is actually required for your future purpose or future use. With this, we'll stop for now. I need to send you this complete notes. Please make sure we receive the notes. And I need to send you the notes for this week, next week classes. Print copy notes I have to send you. I will do it. And over to you now. Any questions, please let me know. I'll wait. Please, over to you. Arpita, Esther, Girish, yes, Kamalakanta. Please, let me know. Kumar, Lokesh, Mahmud, Palak, others,
Yes.
everyone. Tell me, sir. Tell
Hi,
me.
sir. Girish here. Good morning.
Very, very good morning, Girish. Please tell me, sir. Proceed. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I do have a question.
Yeah.
If you let me in, like, if I can
Tell me.
share my screen and show you, like, when I try to log in or go through the portal.azure.com. So, as I
Yes.
already have a Microsoft account created for my Power BI, it's a free,
Oh,
and
got it.
it took
Got it.
me to some other screen. So, I just wanted to know, like, how I can navigate to the screen that you showed on the screen.
Are you getting any screen like asking for Microsoft Authenticator app? Anything like that? Or
Yes,
OTP?
sir. Yeah,
Got it.
that's already done, and
I
I
understand.
am into the portal already. So
Oh,
home
oh no,
portal,
no,
it
no.
says like,
I
yeah,
got it, sir. I got it, sir. Okay, I understand. So, for example, like you are going to app.fabric.com or Power BI app, you are getting something like an authenticator app. So please log out of that particular one first.
okay,
Log out. Okay, log out of the Fabric or Power BI cloud first.
yeah,
Okay, then what you do is, brother, go to incognito mode.
okay,
There you need to go to portal.azure.com for
sure,
free
sir, sure,
account. But because friends, everyone, for free account, Azure and Power BI or Azure and Fabric, they should be having different emails altogether. A single email address cannot be used for multiple free accounts as on date. That's a limitation we have, Girish. So use a
okay,
different email address, incognito mode. It works. Give it a try,
yeah,
let me know.
sure, sure, sir. Thank you.
Fine. Yep. Next question, please. In the meantime, I'll compose the mail, please. Questions, please. I'll wait. Yeah, Raghavendra. Yes, Ram, Shingla, Mahmood, please. Any questions, please? Please tell me. Yep. Yes, please, everyone, please confirm, please. Any questions, let me know. I'll wait.
Hi Sai, this is Ram. So,
Please tell me.
why we need SQL Server and SQL Server Management Services? I mean, you asked us to
Studio.
download both of them, right?
Exactly. Exactly. Yes, you are right. Yeah, here, let me show you. Here it is. See, Azure SQL pool, or simply say Azure SQL warehouse. I can show you practically like this, otherwise better. I'll show you in a different way. You see my screen, Ram? Ram,
Yeah,
you see my
I
screen?
can see, I can see.
Perfect. Perfect. It is inside SQL Server. It is inside SQL Server. We create our SQL pool, data warehouse. This is our course. Getting it?
Yeah,
Without SQL Server, there is no Microsoft warehouse. I was telling I was giving one statement few minutes back, everyone. It's like a godown and showroom in the city, living room and storeroom in the house. OLTP database, and data warehouse inside a single server. To access the server, we have the browser itself, but we cannot perform all activities inside the browser. Not possible. Example, just an example. In our classes, we'll be taking migrations. In our classes, sorry, this one. In our classes, we'll take migrations. I think this one, here it is. When working with migrations, this one, part of our course, we need to connect to SQL logical server from SSMS tool and perform export. We cannot do exports using browser. We cannot create something called backpack files using browser. We cannot. So SSMS tool required. for connecting to warehouse. Are you getting it now, Ram?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Now everyone, remember friends, not only Azure, if someone is stepping into Fabric, even Fabric also requires SSMS. Remember this one. SQL Server and Management Studio are the ground level components mandatory for all other Microsoft data stack technologies. Always. We need them. Next question, please. I will wait. Any questions, please? I'll wait. Please, questions, please. I'll wait. Fine. We'll stop for now. From tomorrow, please. Everyone has to ask me question, okay? At least one question during Q&A time. Everyone, please. Really,
Sir, to
it
learn
works.
data engineering, do we need
Yes,
Python
sir.
basics, sir?
Sir, Python basics, I will be taking care part of our course. No problem. Okay? Just
Sir,
SQL
in this
basics.
course,
Yes.
Azure Fabric also included, sir.
Sir, there's a separate 7 weeks course we have. Fabric is a separate one. Fabric separate one, sir, on my screen. Fabric. Again, there also have 3 modules for Fabric. Anyone looking for Fabric? Separate 2 months. Plan for 2 months. So Fabric Data Factory module, 16 chapters. Data Lake and Lakehouse module, 10 chapters as on date. Again, PySpark and Notebook module, another 18 chapters. Separate 2 months course for me. It's very vast. Those are different, sir. Okay. Fabric introduction, part of Azure, because I included migrations. I included Azure to Fabric migrations. I included in this particular course, in our Azure course. That we'll do. But Fabric itself, a separate 2 months journey, including the project. Entirely different. Are you getting it now? I'll wait.
Yes, sir. So which certification we can do by learning this course, sir?
Well, like you can go for Databricks certification. I can guide you with the complete, material and all. Databricks certification. The open source ETL, open source warehouse is there, right? For that, you can have the certification. This one. Databricks data engineering certification, you can do this item. Next question, please. I'll wait.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please tell me. Yeah.
So earlier you mentioned about ADF expression. What is ADF expression?
Well, like ADF expressions are a special type of script, a small script using which we write conditions to filter the data. Example on my screen. You see my screen, madam?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. One of the classes in ADF module, Azure Data Factory module, we will be taking like this. See,
All
this
right.
is ADF expression. Getting it now? Like this.
Yes,
It's
sir.
not SQL, it's ADF. We call
It's
it
ADF.
expressions. Yes.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Welcome. Yep. Next question, please. I will wait.
Hi, Sai. This is Kamal Khan.
Please tell me, Kamal. Please tell me. Yes.
Sai, as this is new to me, so please let me know what is the prerequisite. I have the knowledge of SQL somehow because I am working as a data analyst, and
Okay.
very basic knowledge of Python. So, is there any prerequisite as I am new to this particular course for Azure, and this is new subject for me?
I
Please help me.
understand. Got it. SQL, Microsoft SQL basics are enough to start with my classes. Because Microsoft SQL is a base, it's a OLTP component. We are into data warehouse here. So whatever Microsoft SQL basics you are aware of should be enough to start with our data engineering activities. Any one SQL is okay, but Microsoft SQL preferred option to step into data engineering. Kamal. Yes, it's
Okay.
enough. So revise MS SQL during your free time, and if you have any questions, do let me know from your revision. Let me know. That should be enough. We'll take it. Yeah.
Hi, sorry, Abu here again. So I logged in. When I was trying to log in, it says I've got an account already with my email address. That is fine.
Oh,
But when I log in, it says sign in failed. So does it mean I need to create a new email address and do it? I'm getting
like
a
if you can
sign in
WhatsApp me
failed
the.
error.
Okay. I
Okay.
could see like I got it. If you can WhatsApp me the screenshot, I can surely
Yes.
check and let you know why it failed. You can WhatsApp me to this number. I'll give you my number here, +91. I would
Yeah,
have come
I
to your
already have
screen,
your number. I'll share you
please.
these details.
Yeah, I would have come to your screen in the webinar, but I could see like you logged in from your browser. Please log in from the desktop app, webinar app, so that I can come to your screen next time if you have any trouble or any
Oh, okay.
problem with
Yeah,
the practice.
that
Okay,
sounds a good idea.
please. Yeah, better. Yeah,
No, thank you.
welcome. Yep. Next question, please.
Sai, one more
Fine,
thing. This
friends.
is Kamalkant once again.
Please tell me.
Are you getting the recording for this particular session?
Yeah. Someone asked me at the starting of the class today. Yes, we do. Complete notes in advance and everyday class video after the class. Make sure you try to practice for my detailed notes. It should work. Still, you wanted to have an extra reference, you have the video as a secondary reference. But primary reference will be my detailed notes. It is step by step. It will save a lot of time for you. Video, yes. But before that, notes. Okay? It should work.
Sure.
Yep.
Thank you.
My notes is in detail always. Next question, please. I'll wait. Fine, friends. Thank you. Please complete your installation, configuration. You got the email, right, everyone? Please confirm, please. Please check it. I'll wait. Please check your
Yes, I
spam, junk promotions, please. I'll wait, please. Everyone, please.
yes, sir. Grish here, I got it.
It's a
No,
Great.
sir.
Yes,
it's
I've
a
received
good.
that email.
I'll send
I've
you
sent you the.
separate mail. Perfect. Sure, Mohammed. I received it. I'll check and reply you. And I'll send a separate mail for this week, next week notes in advance. Okay. Please take print copy of the notes. Please, let's sail together.
Sir,
Okay.
I did not
Beautiful.
receive any email.
Sister, could you please check your spam, junk promotions also, please? I'll wait. Spam,
Sure.
junk promotions, please. Yes, I could see email sent to you. It was sent already. Yeah, please check it. I'll wait.
Thank you so much, Sai.
Spam,
If
junk.
there is nothing else, I need to drop off
Yeah,
for my
you
another
can. Thank
meeting
you.
and see you tomorrow.
Thank you. See you
No
tomorrow,
worries.
same time, 7 a.m. sharp. Everyone.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye.
Pleasure meeting you all. Thank you so much. And Palak Singla, I'm waiting for your update. Please let me know.
No, sir, not till now.
No worries. I'll send you separately now. I'll resend the mail. Okay. Please wait. I'll resend the mail now. Please wait. Done. Please check it. I'll wait. Thank you. Yeah. Please check it. I'll wait. Raghavendra, please tell me. You said you have a question, right? Please tell me. Mic with you. Please tell me. Yes, please. Raghavendra Shirka, please tell me your question. Please tell me. I'll wait. Yep. Raghavendra cannot hear you. Please check your mic. Please cannot hear you. Please recheck your audio. Please. I'll wait.
Sir, not received.
Please ping me a hi message on WhatsApp, sister. I will send it directly on WhatsApp. Otherwise, I'm not
Okay.
sure why it's missed. Just WhatsApp. A hi on WhatsApp. I'll send it. Okay. Raghavendra, 10 years ETL testing. Raghavendra will be discussing it one-to-one anyway regarding your profile. You said like you have 10 years experience, right? Surely we'll discuss in detail. One-to-one call, Raghavendra. I'll call you. I will call you. We'll do. Yeah. Sure. Anyone else require my call back? Please let me know. Please. Anyone else? I could select
Sir, నేను
most of you.
WhatsApp లో I have mentioned, sir.
Sure, Kumar. Yeah, I'll reply you. Okay, just give me 45 minutes time. I have a class now. Once I'm done, I'll be able to get in touch with you. Okay, Kumar. I'll do. Sure. Surely.
Yes, sir. The next thing is like for payments, like are we getting any notification to
Yeah,
pay?
for that my team will take care. Yeah, my team will take care. No problem.
Sure,
Okay,
sir,
they'll
sure,
provide you.
sure.
Yeah. The
Yeah,
process
thank
and non-technical things my team will take care. Anything technical or career related, resume or certification, whatever, we can discuss one-to-one, right? Directly on phone. We
Yeah.
can do. No problem. We'll do. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Welcome, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Next question, please. Others, please. I'll wait. Fine. Thank you. Have a nice time. Meeting tomorrow. Thank you so much. Please complete the things carefully before tomorrow's class. Thank you so much. Yep. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Thank you so much. Yep.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.